Okay, wait just a second. I'm going to pause just a bit. Yeah, I know the part just started and I'm going to pause it. Yeah, sorry about this. Just a second. Sorry about that. And we're going to continue in Bunny Draco. I still don't have enough bolts for that weapon. Oh well. Let's hope that I can beat Courtney without any problems. More nanotech. Almost 50. Oh. I like this level. It's weird, but I like it. Yay, slow down. Already a continue point? That was fast.
Strafing is a very effective tactic during a firefight. To strafe, hold down L2 or R2 while running.
Oh my god, will I be... yes, I get it. Ah, fail.
This is the testing laboratory for the Biobliterator.
Let's see what Nefarious has been up to.
Whoa! Like I never knew you were this kinky, Miss Gears.
Don't you ever shut up.
Okay, I'll zip it. Man, the guys aren't gonna believe this.
Like, destroy all squishies, dude.
Wow, they turned Skid into a robot? That's impossible!
Not for Dr. Nefarious.
Don't be afraid, Ratchet. The transformation doesn't hurt. Much.
Besides, I think you'll enjoy being a robot.
Let's see if you can fight better than you can sing.
You'll make a nice fur coat.
Okay, let's see. Oh crap, forgot to jump. Okay, the weapon I'm using is not doing much effect. Oh, leveled up. Awesome. Where is Courtney? I can't even see her. Oh, there she is. Damn it, I'm being a noob. No, no, what? What the? Seriously, what the fuck? I'm going to try using another weapon. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, here it is. Courtney sure is running away a lot. It usually have problems in its battle. Okay, and it's over.
One disposable pop star disposed.
You okay, Clank?
Transmission from the Phoenix.
We've located Nefarious' star cruiser. It's refueling at the Zeldrin starport. Quark is already on his way there.
It might be a trap. I think Courtney Gears was setting us up. Even so, it could be our only chance to stop Nefarious. We'll meet Quark at the starport.
Be careful, Ratchet.
Come on, Clank. We'll come back for Skid later.
Like destroy all squishies and stuff.
Poor guy. So time to return to this ship. After this world, I'm going to go back and buy a new armor.